My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 BMW X1. This vehicle has done just over 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, we can get access to our notifications, my vehicle, connected drive, navigation, communication, and media and radio. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. We have heated seats on either side. And the X1 also comes with 3 different driving modes. So we have Comfort, Sport, and Eco Pro. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.